Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. First of all, we want to wish you a very happy new year. We know that this video is coming late for some issues and we were very busy during the starting of the year. So we are very sorry for this reason, and we also want to congratulate you that you survived 2020. Well, as a new year, in this video we are here for a present for you guys. Well, what is the present? In this video we are going to make audiobooks using Python. For this building instruction you don't need any Python knowledge or experience. You just write down the code and the program reads you the book. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Zombie apocalypse.
So first of all, let's talk about what are audiobooks. Well, audiobooks are just a binary book that a program or a code reads the book to you, and it's kind of cool that someone reads you book without some offerings or anything, because if you were lazy and you asked your friend to read a book to you, he will take something from you, like a treat or something else. Well, if you go to the internet and search for audiobooks, there are various kinds of audiobooks, but they are subscription based, and for subscription they will cost you money. But subscription for our channel on YouTube is free, so feel free to subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss an update. Other than that, in this video we are going to save you money and also make a cool audiobook that will read you for free, so you don't have to treat your friends or give subscription money to audiobook seller. First of all, to get things started, we need Python and a code editor. So for this video we are using Pycharm Community Edition. After it loads your components and runs some task, it will here. So first of all, to make our program actually to read or speak to you, we need a module. The module name is pyttsx3. In our computer is saying requirement already satisfied, because we all have already installed it in your computer. After a couple of seconds of downloading and installing, it will say successfully installed pyttsx3, and that's very simple. Now let's import our module. This is the very important module for this project. Then we will write a variable to make our program to speak, and we will name the variable speaker, and we will actually initialize our not print we will initialize our pyttsx3 package, right, by writing the pyttsx3 dot init, and we will make our speaker to say something. Speaker, by writing speaker dot say, and it will say hi to us. And then we will write speaker dot run and wait function, and let's see if it says us hi.
Hi.
So it's saying us hi. But another thing to note that this by default with these lines of codes will just speak in Microsoft David API, which is found in SAPI 5 package being installed on Windows 10. So if you want to change your voices, for example, you don't want Microsoft David API to speak the book to you, you want Microsoft Zira, which is a female version of API, to speak to you the book. You can check out our video in the upper right hand corner where we made our home security system based on Python to actually speak, and it was kind of cool too. So go and check it out. With that out of the way, let's now get our another module. The module name is PyPDF2. Hit enter. Okay, again we have to write because we misspelled install. Let's write it again. Hit enter. Okay, it's saying requirement already satisfied because we have it already downloaded and installed it, but in your computer it might not be installed, so it will say successfully installed by PDF2. And let's import it also. Okay, now we need a book to read. So for this video we are using this book, Automate Boring Stuff using Python. So how you can get this book into your Python file? It's very simple. Just go to your project panel, and here you can see where is your projects are located. So in this Python folder there is a folder named hello world. So here where is your codes are running, and here you will save the book. So we named the book apbs.pdf. So you, as you can see, we saved it or copied it. It's say apps.pdf right here. So okay, so we will write our another variable named book to open our PDF file, apbs.pdf, and after the inverted commas give it a comma and again inverted comma and say RB, so it will read it as a binary book. And now we need for PDF reader, so we will say PDF reader, which is our variable for reading the PDF. We will just get our PyPDF2 module, and we will write a function name PDF file reader and give it bracket, and in the brackets write our book variable. And now we need to know the number of our books pages, so we'll write another variable named pages, and we will just call our PDF reader, and we will say number pages or num pages, which is a function in Python. Then we will need to print the pages, and let's see.
Hi.
We accidentally didn't write pages here, so it doesn't print anything. Let's see.
Hi.
So we total have 505, which means 505 pages in this book. Now to actually read it, we need to go to the book actually, and we can do some roasting here. Well, this writer A.L. Swigert, who are you? We don't know. We think he's a sucker because he literally took about 24 pages only to just introduce and index the book. Who on earth does that? Well, that's not a problem. We read the book, and this book is fine, but not regardable as is. So go to the PDF file again and note the number. What is the number of pages we want to read? So if you basically ask your friend to read a book, he won't read the index of the book. He will read from the page that has actual information, or from it won't make sense. So as you can see, the introduction page is here in the 24th page. So we will write another variable named page, and we will again call our reader pdf reader, and we will get our pages. We want to get to 25th page, so we will write 24. And why are we writing 24 here? Because in real one index we count from 1 2 3 4 and up to 100 and then some. But in programming index, the number starts from 0. So if you count 0 to 1 2 3 2 to 3 and all the way to 25, you will find yourself in the 24th number being as 25th number. So we will write 24 to actually read the 25th page. But if you accidentally read or written the 25th page for starting, it will read starting from this page, which is introduction 2. But we don't want to read introduction 2 before introduction 1, right? So for this reason, write 24 here. Now let's write our another variable where we actually get our book, or we will extract the book in this variable. Txt equals to what? Okay, we will get to page and we will extract the text out of it by writing extract and text. You have to write in this order, unless it won't work. Now we don't want our speaker to say hi only, we want our speaker to say the text. We will write our text variable here, and it's done. So now, okay, we didn't write page here correctly, and let's see if it works. Yep, it will work now. So as the Python reads the program, we just came to the introduction page.
Introduction.
So it's
You
saying
trademark VE
introduction is
just done
loading
in
because
2
it
hours what
has
it takes.
one
The
space
three of us 2
per
days to do my
paragraph.
college. Roommate was working at a retail electronics store in the early 2000s. Occasionally, the store
So now you can see this program reads the book for you, but there is a few problems here. Well, if you write these lines of code, it will run and read the book, but it will read the 25th page as, as default. So you don't want to just beg the program, please read me the next page, next page, next page, by writing the page 24, 25, 26, and so on. But there is a small fix for that. We will write a for loop, and for in number, which will our for loop variable. We will write for number in range, and give it a bracket, and let's say 24 and comma, and then say pages, then give it colon, hit enter, and then grab this piece lines of code and move it here. So by this order, it says that the codes of the codes written here are synced with the for loop, or for loops kind of stands for this program. So in the get page section, erase 24 and write num variable, which is our for loop variable. So it will start reading from 25th page being 24 in our coding, and it will go through the pages. Well, in this demonstration, it is important to show you that it reads 24 then gets to 25th. So for that reason the video might get long, but we are also apologizing for this reason. So let's see if it works.
Introduction. Your trademark VE just done in 2 hours what it takes. The three of us 2 days to do my college. Roommate was working at a retail electronics store in the early 2000s. Occasionally, the store would receive a spreadsheet of thousands of product prices from its competitor. A team of 3 employees would print the spreadsheet onto a thick stack of paper and split it among themselves. For each product price, they would look up their store trademark S price and note all the products that their competitors sold for less. It usually took a couple of days. You know, I could write a program to do that if you have the original LE for the printouts, my roommate told them, when he saw them sitting on the floor with papers scattered and stacked around them. After a couple of hours, he had a short program that read a competing store trademark S price from ALE, found the product in the store trademark S database, and noted whether the competitor was cheaper. He was still new to programming, and to introduction. He spent most of his time looking up documentation in a programming book. The actual program
Now
took
you can
only a
see
few
it
seconds to
reads
run.
the
My
25th
roommate
page and 24.
and
Let's
his
stop it here. Now you can see it reads the 25th page, then the 26th, and it will go through whole the pages as we imported the pages in our pages variable. And also here, another thing to note, that if you want another book to read, just copy paste the book in this directory or file location, file path, or anything you say as your flexibility. uh, just copy paste the book here, and just replace the name from APBS to the book's name that you saved, and it will just read the book and you will be happy. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because we saved you a ton of money from getting subscription from audiobooks. And yeah, it's so simple to make, so it's your duty to subscribe to our channel. Go subscribe now, and we hope to see you in the next one.